There we go. What are you on? Oh, nice. Oh, that's a good fish. What's up, everyone? My name's Andrew. My channel is Family Fly Ties. I am currently fishing Middle Provo, Legacy South. On my way to my destination. Looking forward to a great time. I currently have 2 rods with me. I've got a dry fly rod for the Mayfly hatches I've been seeing, and I have my hybrid Euro that's easier to use an indicator with, and then if I need to Euro, I can. So looking forward to a great day. Hope you enjoy. Cheers to tight lines. All right, I've arrived at my first destination. I'll go ahead and start with the hybrid Euro. I'm currently fishing with my cheat code with an orange tag and the Tailwater Titan in an olive color. Tan, silver, olive. Looking forward to it. Cheers to tight lines. Fish. I don't think I need to go deeper. That's a good fish. That's a good fish to start out. Let's see if he's on the cheat code or if he's on the... Yeah, he's on the cheat code. Nice, good brown. Holy... Oh! You have got to be kidding me. Oh, I'm pissed. It's frustrating. Second fish, didn't get him to the net. And that was a freaking dang good fish to not get to the net and get a picture of. I'm honestly shocked I haven't got a hit on the... I might reverse the... I'm not seeing any dinks, so we might not be deep enough. So I'm gonna go 3 inches, a little bit more. So up to the yellow. There we go. I gotta watch out for that tree, I forgot. So, oh, nice. Yep, I just went lower. Cheat code. Fish on. Another 3 inches. And first fish here. Or second fish in this area. So again, depth on that one. Presentation is good. It was just the depth. So I can get... Alright, good fish. Good fish. Got one. There we go. Oh, decent fish too on the cheat code. Yeah, nice. That better be on. It is. Another decent fish. Let's see if we can bring this one in though. Good colors on that guy. I'm gonna bring him up. This way, keep him in. Go. Oh my goodness, the colors on that guy are gorgeous, and he's on the cheat code as well. Oh my goodness, look at the colors. Is where we'll Indy. We might move to a MB Stinger and a Chameleon. If I'm not getting any love. Oh, don't think that was a fish though. I think that was, there we go. That was a fish. I wasn't sure. And he's on the cheat code as well. There's one fish. I wouldn't be surprised to catch 8 through here. Let's see, first go close. See if there's any fish on this inside seam. There we go. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. And then he gives me a massive tangle. See through there, I might need to go deeper. We're gonna get this inside seam again. Can't be just one there. There's gotta be potentially another one right through there. Yep, look at that. On the cheat code again. And I might be switching up to a different fly on the top. I thought both of these flies were gonna do well. Cheat code for the win. That's a good number of fish on the cheat code. Through, could be, no, okay. There we go. Might need to go deeper on this end, but we'll see. it was a fish. Haha, I wasn't sure. Oh, you gotta be freaking kidding me. That's 2 right there. Actually going to indicator this. This is moving pretty slow. So, and so far, indicator has been really good. So, indicator, this as well. Oh, that was nice. Oh, and he's on the Tailwater Titan. First one today. We were at this section before, but it was faster. So now we're back to that slower moving. Oh, that was cheat code. Wow, first cast. Oh, there he goes. Through the hole of the net. And the funny thing is that all the fish I catch is usually down in this area. I don't catch up above. They're usually just right here to this area. Oh, that's a decent fish. Tailwater. No, I don't know. He's a cheat code as well. He's a cheat code. Another rainbow. Nice. Oh, I would love that sun to come back out. There we go. That's what I want to see. Typically I like it a little bit slower, but there we go. And he's on the tailwater, nope, cheat code as well. Thank you, buddy. There we go. I saw and then felt, and I thought it was cheat code again. Hey, good fish. Weird stuff. Yeah, sort of. Oh, I saw him hit. I watched him come down and swallow it. That was pretty sweet. There was no indication on that one. Pretty sweet. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, my fly was still in its mouth. I thought that was a fish. Cheat code again as well. Cheat code is killing it like the prism torch would. That's pretty sweet. Oh, well, that didn't go as planned. Oh, come on. There we go. And that actually is already in a good... No? Bring him. Oh, yes. That was pretty sweet. I'm not sure if my camera caught that. And he's on the cheat code as well. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, and you're already out. Even better. Even better. Come on. Okay. Yeah, good fish, guys. Good fish. Go. He is on the cheat code as well. Wow. Oh, come on. There we go. That was definitely a fish. Cheat code again? Yep, cheat code. How did I miss that? Oh my goodness. Now that pisses me off. Got this guy, got a smaller one. Oh, what is up? Look at him go, look at it go. Do I have like a bend in my hook? That's 2 fish off. Let's see. Nope. And no. I missed technically both of them. There's 3 out of here. Oh my goodness. You have got to be freaking kidding me. I have set 3 fish and missed all 3 on the land. Makes absolutely no sense.